Hi everybody, this is Mary Beth, and I am with Mary's Pretty Things. That is the name of my channel, and I just want to welcome everybody to my channel. I'm going to just let you know right now I am so out of my comfort zone right now, but I'm going to get through this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. This is actually my New Year's goal, is to do this, and so I'm going to. But anyways, just tell you a little bit about me. I am a cancer fighter, and I say that because of the fact that I just got done with my radiation on November 18th, so I did get to ring the bell, but I'm still doing my hormone treatments, and of course that has to be done for 5 years. And meanwhile, I have a 2.5-year-old son who just happens to be autistic as well. So, he is a cutie pie. He is smart as a whip. He is my little buddy. Love him to death. So one of these days, who knows, you may end up seeing him flying through my videos. You never know. We'll see. Time will tell. So anyways, the reason why I decided to do this channel was because I kind of needed some positive input in my life. And so I needed to feel like I belonged to something and that I was important and that I could help somebody. So I decided I was going to do a YouTube channel. So here I am, trying to make some new yarny friends, and which would be awesome because, you know, I really don't get out much. I pretty much stay home, take care of little man, and I do my craft business is what I do. Some very yarny facts about me. I'm going to call it the yarny fact. My favorite crochet hook is the size 5mm. I use ergonomic hooks. I also use these little light up hooks. I love these little light up. See, they just light up. I love these light up hooks. They are one of my favorite. I've been using them for like almost 4 years now. But I need a new 5mm because, you know, the plastic does kind of wear after a while. My favorite yarn that I like working with, I had to bring some notes in this. My favorite yarn that I like working with is actually Bernat blanket yarn, but I only work with it during the winter. I have made 4 blankets with it. One can actually fit the size of a full-size bed. The other can fit a size 12, twin size bed, sorry, and a couple of lap blankets. But I really like using just about any kind of yarn, except for one specific yarn, and it's a ribbon yarn, and I do not like working with ribbon yarn. I just did not have good experience working with it. That would be my only not like. But I do have another blanket yarn that I'm going to be making soon. So it's going to be on one of my future whips that's going to be coming up this year. However, this year I do have some whips that I brought with me that I thought everybody could see. First of all, I want to show off my project bag. See? My fun fall project bag. And it even has leaf lining in it. And believe it or not, the bag is actually made out of a placemat with some cotton lining in it, and it's a zipper square. See? Zipper square. And that's my project bag for my Vita Shawl. That's one of my whips as well. Being that I do have fibromyalgia and fighting breast cancer, I chose this color And this is the rest of the colors. Unfortunately, we can't get this yarn anymore because it's the Nicole Studio that was at AC Moore. I have another whip that I did. I was watching Canadian Crocheter the other day, Debbie, and she pulled out the neatest thing. It was a neck warmer, and well, I didn't get the pattern that she had, so I kind of made my own. And this is what the whip looks like. It's actually from my mom. Goes on like this, and put 2 buttons right here for it to stay together. And that's going to be for my mom. She's going to pick out the buttons. I'm also working on a shawl, and this is actually, I wrote it down, How to Crochet an Easy Shawl, One Vision, Bag O Day Crochet Tutorial 630. And I'm actually using the Lion brand Heartland. And the color is Yosemite and Chahoga Valley. I know I didn't pronounce that right. But that's a shawl that I'm working on. My biggest possession, my pride and joy of what I'm working on. I'm actually working on my first mandala blanket. My very first circle mandala blanket. And I'm just so excited because it's so pretty. It's so bright and festive. And I've never done anything like this. So. I am working on the crochet along that is being done by the Crochet Crowd. And it's a Yarn Inspirations mandala pattern. Matter of fact, they just released their last video for the cow last week. But it's the crochet cow for this year. And it's made with, I use impeccable loops and threads yarn. I used the colors Lapis, real pretty blue. See, I just got a bag full of colors. I have grass, it's very bright green. I have coral. And I have sea green. Lavender. Oh my, I got 3 different shades. Oh my goodness. Rich Orchid, which is also one of my favorites in this line. This is the Michaels brand Loops and Threads, impeccable again. It's all a medium weight 4, and it uses my favorite hook size, 5mm. But this color is magenta. So I'm using all of those colors. Sorry, my shawl is just coming right off the chain. Using all of these colors in that one blanket. And I'm just so ecstatic about it because it's something I've never done before, and I get to use so many colors and do so many stitches. So, and hubby just walked in. So you saw that was who it was. It was my wonderful hubby. I have such a special, wonderful man. He has to put up with a yarny, what can I say? So I have some future videos that I would like to do, just to kind of give you some heads up of, basically what's going on with my channel. I, of course, would like to do with updates, old and new. I figured it kind of keeps me motivated to keep going and finish my projects. I've got a 12-year-old whip. Yes, a 12-year-old whip that I have a goal to set, and it's to finish this blanket. So I'm going to do periodically updates on that particular whip. It's pretty. It's got mohair yarn, and it's also working with Caron Simply Soft. I've also got a yarn comparison video that I would like to be doing. And the last thought I would mention is whips that are going to the fair. And the reason why I say that is because I'm doing an event. So, but you can reach me on Facebook at Mary's Pretty Things. You'll have an awesome, wonderful time and an awesome weekend and an awesome week. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.